Okay, so while we have our air filter housings off, it'd be a good time to go ahead and change the filters. It's been a couple of years, it's about time, so we'll just mount up our number 30 Torx head again. Let's take out these 8 screws. You can see right here's the hole where the air actually enters the throttle body. After it comes in here and goes through the filter, goes through this passage, ends up right there. So that's the inside of the filter, so hopefully it's clean. Looks like it is. And then, whoa! There's the business end of the filter right there. Let's get over here. Oh, that's not bad. Definitely needs to be changed though. There's stuff up in there needs to get cleaned out too. So this is why you should always check your air filter, make sure it's changed, because you definitely don't want to get, you know, a big hornet inside your engine. Here's our new filter. It's a MAN, which is recommended by the factory, so that's what we usually use. And these, for this car, they come in pairs. You can see this one looks a lot nicer. There's no dead hornets on it, which is always good. Okay, so here's what the filter looks like. It fits right down in this piece like this, and you kind of have to tuck this into it. And if you get it tucked in nice and tightly, a little too tightly, then it should stay put. Turn it right over, put it in there. There's only one way that these will match up, and that's with the intake going toward the front of the engine, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. And then just take your Torx head and tighten these down. These screws don't come completely out, so they're easy to keep track of. Okay, we're ready to put our air filter housing back on. We've got our new filters in there. I'll make sure that this hole lines up with the throttle body there. That's the most important thing. And then just go straight down with it. You can use this to kind of line up where it needs to be. You feel those little places when it clamps back on, and then you just push it down like that. So we've got our housing back on. I can tell it's on good because you can't really lift it off very easy. And I'm feeling around back here, and I can feel that the gasket has sealed off good around the throttle body. So now we just got to pop these back on. It's going to take your cold air from up here in front of the radiator back into the engine. Don't forget this one. It's very important. Goes right there. And that's all there is to it. We've got one more little piece here. This is the most important one because it has the logo on it. So just line up those little gadgets. That's it. And then we'll give it a start and see how it runs.